In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to alphabetize data by sorting in Google Sheets. Organizing your information can seem daunting, but with just a few simple steps, you can have your data neatly sorted in no time. Let's dive right in and simplify this process for you. First, open up your Google Sheets document where your data resides. Take a moment to survey your spreadsheet and decide which section of data you want to alphabetize. Once you've identified that, it's time to select the relevant data range. Click and drag your cursor over the cells to highlight all the information you want to sort. Being thorough in your selection ensures that no part of your data is left unorganized. Next, direct your attention to the menu bar at the top of your screen. Here, you'll want to click on the Data option. This will trigger a drop-down menu, a gateway to various sorting and organizing features. From this menu, choose Sort Range. You might notice that this action brings up a few options, but for the purpose of this tutorial, you'll want to click on Advanced Sorting Options. If your dataset includes headers, which commonly are the column titles like name, date, or amount, make sure you tick the box labeled Data has Header Row. This step is crucial because it allows the sorting tool to recognize your headers and thus treat them as titles rather than a piece of data you want to sort alongside everything else. Once you've confirmed your selection includes headers, the next task is to decide precisely which column you'd prefer to alphabetize. In the Sort By drop-down, you'll see a list of your headers. Click on the one you're interested in alphabetizing. The choices will align themselves, ready for ordering. Now, set the sort order based on how you want your data to appear. If you're looking for an A to Z organization, opt for this ascending order. This action will ensure the data is organized from the start of the alphabet towards the end. It's generally a go-to choice for arranging names or other text-based data logically. Once you've established the preferred column and the order, it's a simple matter of clicking on that final button, Sort. Sit back and watch as your data reorganizes right before your eyes, transforming into a neatly ordered list. And just like that, your Google Sheets data is alphabetized with precision and ease. With these straightforward steps, you've mastered the art of sorting in Google Sheets, ensuring clarity and efficiency in handling your data. Remember, the next time your information appears chaotic, sorting it into an alphabetical order could provide the structure you need. Thank you for joining us today, and happy organizing.